Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're looking at something truly exciting and innovative, the Toyota Motorhome 2026. Toyota has always been known for blending practicality, reliability, and forward-thinking technology. And with the 2026 Motorhome, the company is stepping into the luxury travel lifestyle with a vehicle that combines comfort, functionality, and advanced engineering. This isn't just another RV. It's a bold step into the future of recreational vehicles, designed for those who love adventure but don't want to compromise on style or convenience. The exterior of the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is immediately eye-catching, with a design that feels both modern and sleek, while still keeping the sturdy presence expected from a vehicle of this size. At the front, you'll notice a sharp, aerodynamic nose with slim LED headlights that give it a futuristic appearance. The front grille carries Toyota's signature design language, with a chrome accent finish that adds elegance. Along the sides, flush windows and sculpted panels create a clean, streamlined look, reducing drag and boosting efficiency. Large storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, giving travelers plenty of space without sacrificing aesthetics. The overall stance of the motorhome is commanding yet approachable, with bold alloy wheels and an elevated ride height that make it suitable for highways as well as rugged camping spots. Toyota has clearly worked to balance style and utility in the 2026 model, making it one of the most visually appealing motorhomes in its class. Inside, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels than a traditional RV. Step through the wide electric entry door, and you're welcomed into a space that is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The interior is available in multiple configurations, but every version is finished with premium materials. Leather seating, soft touch panels, wooden accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a warm, high-end atmosphere. The living area includes a large convertible sofa, a retractable smart TV, and a dining setup that feels far from cramped. The kitchen area is equally impressive, featuring a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, convection oven, and high-quality cabinets with soft close hinges. The countertops are made from durable yet stylish materials, giving the kitchen a professional premium feel. The bedroom is designed with relaxation in mind, offering a queen or king-sized bed depending on configuration, with luxury mattresses and plenty of storage. Panoramic windows with automated blinds bring in natural light during the day while maintaining privacy at night. The bathroom doesn't cut corners either, featuring a full-size shower, a vanity with modern fixtures, and even heated flooring for added comfort during cold weather trips. Everything feels intentional. Like Toyota wanted travelers to feel just as comfortable inside this motorhome as they would in their own home. Technology plays a big role in the Toyota Motorhome 2026. The vehicle is equipped with a smart control system that lets you manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment from a central touchscreen or even a smartphone app. There's integrated Wi-Fi, a premium surround sound system, and multiple charging ports for all your devices. Safety and convenience are also front and center, with features like keyless entry, voice-activated controls, and even solar panels on the roof that can help power your appliances when you're off the grid. Performance is where Toyota makes a big statement. The 2026 Motorhome is built on a specially engineered chassis that combines durability with smooth handling. It comes with Toyota's latest hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, designed to offer both efficiency and torque. This allows the motorhome to cover long distances with fewer fuel stops, while still delivering strong pulling power for mountain climbs or towing. The suspension system uses adaptive air suspension, which adjusts automatically based on the terrain, giving passengers a smooth ride whether cruising on the highway or navigating uneven campgrounds. The steering is responsive, and visibility is excellent for a vehicle of this size, thanks to a network of cameras that provide a 360-degree view for easier maneuvering. Toyota has also prioritized safety, equipping the motorhome with advanced ID driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and crosswind stabilization. This makes the driving experience less stressful and adds peace of mind, especially during long journeys. Sound insulation is another strength, ensuring that the cabin remains quiet even when the engine is working hard or when you're driving through rough conditions. When it comes to price, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is expected to be one of the more competitively priced options in the luxury motorhome category. While exact pricing may vary depending on customization and regional markets, estimates place the starting price around $250,000 to $300,000, with higher-end versions going up depending on additional features and luxury packages. Compared to ultra-premium brands like Prevost, Toyota's offering is more accessible while still packing in a lot of high-end comfort, reliability, and innovation. It's designed for families, adventurers, and even professionals who want to work and travel without compromise. In conclusion, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is an exciting addition to the world of RVs and motorhomes.